Yeah, that's not a funnel cloud, but it's a cool looking cloud though.
Yeah, it is. What is that? Dirt boy? No.
Somebody from down the street. Way to go, buddy. You're on YouTube. Or you're on video, excuse me.
At least I'm not on.
Oh, don't lose focus. Here we go.
Be a good storm though.
Yeah. I think the worst of it is supposed to miss us from the radar I saw, but
Right.
I'll have to check again here in a little bit. There's some lightning north of us. Not sure how well you guys could see it. Yep. It's not going on repeatedly, but it's going on pretty good north of us. I guess according to the radar, the storm's split and the worst of it's going to kind of miss us, but we're probably going to get the tail end of some strong winds. Not too sure when exactly. Got some lightning to our northwest now. Wind's kind of picking up now. Not really seeing as much lightning as I was a little bit ago, but wind's picking up. Probably hear it blowing on the trees. Probably see the trees moving as well. Oh, I'm starting to feel some raindrops. Yeah, I gotta turn my light off. There's a car coming. Oh, starting to see more lightning. Ooh, crap. Whoa. Flash of lightning, and then that sensor light went out for a little bit and then came back on. I mean, I guess that could have been a power flash, but I don't know. Some of the other lights stayed on, so who knows? shit. Stuff coming from the trees. I gotta get out from under the power lines. Oh boy. Ooh. That wind's getting worse. Holy crap. Good grief, man. Oh man. There's the rain. It's kind of picking up now. Shit, there was just a power flash. There it is. Yep. Power flash. I don't know if you guys just saw that, but that was a power flash. Son of a bitch. Now we gotta get a hold of Consumers Energy. Fuck. Yeah, our power's out. I saw that power flash in the distance. It took our power out. I had a feeling this was going to happen. Didn't expect to see a power flash, but still. I mean, we didn't see the actual flash, but we saw the reflection from the clouds. I can't believe that, though. That was kind of cool to see. But, unfortunately, we are without power. I don't know if the wind was blowing on the power line, or on the power lines too hard, or if a branch went down or what, but, yeah. Man. Well, can't say I didn't see it coming, but kind of figured we were going to lose power. When I heard about the weather earlier, I knew it was a matter of time that we were going to lose power. And yes, that's my vehicle running. Whoa. Oh, shit. That was bright. I have my phone plugged into my truck right now. Wonder if the blinker intersection light is out as well. Probably is. Yep. That means the entire town's out. That's nice. I'm just going to run my truck for a little bit because my phone's plugged in. That way my phone will get a better charge. I said the power's probably not going to be restored until sometime between 7 and 10 a.m. Oh well. What can you do, I guess? Had to get in my truck right now. Still 73 degrees out right now. I don't know why I had those wipers on, but man, my phone's not really doing the best at charging at this point. I don't know if it's something to do with my connector or what, but I really shouldn't be running this truck right now because there's something that needs to be replaced in it that shuts my truck down after I drive it for a period of time. But luckily I don't have to go anywhere tonight, so I ain't worried. I'm thinking I need a lifter or a fuel pump replaced or something. I don't know. Better shut my brights off. There's a car coming. Yeah, that's freaking storming like, or raining like crazy. Oh shit, I didn't realize there was a car coming. Sorry, buddy. Man, I gotta Shut that light off. Guess I could shut my other phone light off. Temperature just went down 1 degree. I guess that ain't much of a difference. And the rain calms down and then picks right back up. Like, it rains for a couple minutes and then it stops. Then it rains again, then it stops. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Yes, Storm, I'm talking about you. I guess my stepbrother and my nieces that live over by Lawrence, Michigan have no power as well. Man.
Where's the boom?
Man. 1 sec.
Supposed to be bigger boom than that.
Hold on.
That's a little boom. I mean,
The lightning strike was probably a ways away, dude. Yeah, that's my headlights on. I was gonna leave my truck on for a little bit. One thing I'm worried about is the people that are hooked up to like air machines, you know, people that need oxygen tanks to get by. I'm pretty worried about those people. You know, Breedsville has some of those people. So, you know, I just hope and pray Consumers Energy gets out here when they can and restores power. You know, those are the type of people I worry about the most when power goes out. God, please be with those people. They need it tonight for sure. And temperature's going back up. I don't know if the air is getting muggy or what. Can't really tell at this point because it's raining, but yeah, temperature's going back up. Good grief. Looks like Muskegon's about to get something within a few hours, or like in an hour or so. But that big yellow blob, that's what passed us. Looks like Muskegon's about to get something else.